This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Street Fighter 6 Modern Controls. Start by enabling Modern Controls in Settings and select your preferred button mapping immediately. Practice core actions like light punch, heavy kick, and single button special moves in training mode, often to build muscle memory. Use the drive system and focus stance conservatively until you learn timing. Keep matches short and concentrate on fundamentals like spacing and punish windows. Modern controls let you perform complex special moves with simplified inputs, so focus on consistency over flashiness. Spend time in training doing simple sequences, jab into light kick into single button special, then practice anti-air responses. Learn which normals link reliably and which cancel into the single button special for safe pressure. Balance drive use so you do not waste meter, and always test options against different characters to find reliable punish patterns. Quick recommendation and tiny ad break. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps us. On another note, these leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for long gaming sessions because they prevent spills and keep snacks fresh, plus they stack neatly in limited space. Check the description for the link and other deals. You might find something useful. Now let's get back to the video. Defense in modern controls still matters, so treat assists like crutches that can fail under pressure. Work on whiff punishes using medium normals and learn common unsafe moves to punish. Practice movement, backdashes, crouch techs, and walk-up spacing to control the pace of the match. Train reactions for overheads and throws, and gradually wean off assists to gain more precise timing and better long-term results in ranked matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.